If you're looking to boost your credit score, you might have heard of Credit Sage. But is it legit? Let's dive in. Credit Sage, a company founded in 2022, promises to help improve your credit score by disputing negative items on your credit reports. But in a sea of credit repair companies, how do you know which ones you can trust? According to their website, Credit Sage works to remove and dispute negative items, aiming to boost your credit score. They boast a 4.9-star rating on Trustpilot and have a verified physical address. Still, it's always smart to dig deeper. We found two similarly named companies. CreditSage.com has mixed reviews, while Credit-Sage.com, established in 2018, tends to have more consistent positive feedback. So what's the takeaway? Choosing a credit repair company. Ensure they are accredited, transparent about fees, and avoid promises of quick fixes. Always check customer reviews and verify their legitimacy. Or consider DIY credit repair. Limit credit card usage, pay bills on time, avoid opening too many new accounts, and dispute inaccuracies on your credit report. In conclusion, Credit Sage looks legit, but always do your homework before making a decision. Visit finclash.com for detailed review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and reviews.